Hey guys, this is Developer Dude. Welcome to our brand new tutorial series where we will be building a restaurant website from scratch. Don't forget, you can also get the source code. Link is in the description. So without any further ado, let's start this video. In the previous video, we made home page, menu page, reservation page. Now it's time to create this login page. So this is our project here. In the previous video, we created the reservation page. So this where we don't need footer. So first let's remove footer code from our reserve.html file that we have commented. Remove this. So now for the login page, like we created index.html for home page, menu for menu page, reservation for reservation page. So let's create another HTML file for our login page. Right here, login.html, and also create page, so our code don't get messed up. Okay, so what I told you to copy and paste, just go copy, Control C, and paste it here in login.html. just change the CSS file, this one, login.css. okay, the title to login. Okay, save it. Now create a body element here, and in this body element, what we have to do, go to reserve and copy and paste this nav, Control C, login, and here paste. Okay, save it. Now go to other pages, navbar. In this navbar, where's the icon? This one is icon, user. Okay, so here just change it to login.html. okay, save it. Go to menu.html, go to navbar, and in this navbar change the hash login.html. okay, save it. Again, go to index.html file, open nav, and here change it to login.html. Save it. Close all these items. Let's go to our page, refresh it. So when you click on this user, you will go to login page. So this is our login page where we only have our header. So let's create this. You can see this is our login page, and in this login page we only have navbar, and create a div. Like we start only creating with div, so give it to the reservation login container, and in this login container create another div, login image. Okay, so in this login image we have a burger image, this one image we will put in this div, login image div. Okay, so create an image element, and in this give the source code, path for the image, so image 9. Now save it. Refresh. Our image, so big, so large, huh? Let's create another div with class name login. So this will be our login page, login form. So in this, create heading 2 right here, login. Okay, login, and after that login, create a form element that I show you, reservation page. In this, use a label element, and write here email and content email. Save it. Let me show you what is email, because in previous video we only talked about the input. So let me show you what is label. Label is the text which is written on the over the input that shows what we have to write in the input. Okay, so the text is, this is the label for this input, this is the label for this input. Okay, so this is our label, and after that create an input email for this email label. We have an input email, and here in the placeholder write abcd@gmail.com. okay, so this is the placeholder. Now create another label for what? For our password. Okay, now write here text password. Create another input type password. Why we are using this password type? Let me show you. Password should be placeholder. Right here placeholder. So password must be like this, ABCD, and okay. Why we write the type input? Let me comment this image, save it. So you can see this is our header and this is our login form. Use paragraph tag and give it class forgot, and write here forgot password. Create an anchor tag, give it a dead link, and give it class btn, and write here login. Create another paragraph, give it class sign up, and write here don't have an account question mark, then use span tag, right here register for free. Okay, save it. Why we use this span tag? Because you can see this text is light and this text is bold. Okay, that is why we use span to target this text separately. Okay, shit. And now here it is. So first of all, go to our login.css and write here some mandatory code. We don't need to write this code again and again because we already have connected our style.css file where we have already written these codes, but I'm writing it. Box sizing, border box, and after this write here text decoration, none, font family, set it to Vardhana. Okay, now let's target login container. Minimum height of this login container should be 100 VH as we set in the reservation page. Padding 0 and left to right 7%. Margin top 50 pixel, like our header is something 70 pixel, so that is why. Display flex, align item center, and space around, justify content, space around. Okay, let's save it. So here it is, our login page is here. Let me uncomment our image. Now let's target the image div dot login image, width of this div 70%, and also let's target the image inside this div. Set the width of this image to 70%. Save it and refresh it. So here is our burger image. Now we only have to design this login. Okay, so let's go back to our CSS file and target login. Now we are targeting the login div, this one div, this whole div. Okay, display flex and align item center. Flex direction column. What is the flex direction? Let me show you. You can see this login and then email, then this one is beside the email, input, and then again starting password, then again input. So make them line wise, like email first, then input, then password, then input. To do that we are using this flex direction column. Okay, let me show you. So here it is, you can see, but it didn't change. I told you that we are doing flex direction column for this, but it didn't change. Let me show you why. First, set the box shadow 150 pixel RGBA. We are creating an effect here, 239121 and 30, then 0.5. Save it, refresh it. So you can see some shadow here and it looking something different. So why this column, why that didn't happen? That I told you that email, why this didn't happen, because these are not the block element. To do that we have to set it to block element. Okay, to do that we use CSS. Let's set it to display block. Okay, we will use that property display block to set them. Okay, first target this border radius, (20 pixel), padding 40 pixel, and last thing is its width 40%. Okay, save it. Let's see. So now the 40 pixel padding will create a space. So this is, you can see, this is 40 pixel padding. Okay, and the width is 40%. Okay, now let's target the form, our form element, and set its width 100%. Now let's target our heading h2, which is login heading. Margin bottom, set it to 20 pixel. Font size of heading 30 pixel, and color RGB 239121 and 30. Save it. Let's see. So here it is. Now, as I told you, we have to make it display block. Then after that, it will show email, password and imports, okay, in a column base. So to do that, let's target login container, labels, and also target login containers inputs, okay. Set them to display block. Now you will see. So here it is. As I told you, the email label will be here, and then import, then label, then input, okay. Now style it. Now we are targeting login labels, okay. So now we are targeting labels this time, and set font size 13 pixel. Font weight, let's make them little bold, so 600. Then margin from top 15 pixel. Then margin bottom 5 pixel, okay. Save it. Let's see how our label looks like. So here it is. This is our label. Font width, we made this little bold, and 5 pixel here and 15 pixel here, okay. So now it's time to target our inputs. .login, and in this login target input. Padding of the input 10 pixel. Then width of the input 100%. Outline I showed you already, set it to none. Border 1 pixel solid, little bit 128, so it is a gray 0.1, okay. Now make the corner input round, so use border radius 5 pixel. Background color of the input RGBA 128, again 128, again 128, 0.09, okay. Save it. So now the size of the input will be 100% and size increases. Refresh it, and here you can see color and design and border, round border and width of the input. Now it's time to style this all. So now let's target login.forgot. What is this forgot? This is here an element with the class forgot, this one. This is our paragraph element which has forgot class. So text align right, we are not making it center. Color same, that one, RGB 828282, okay, gray color. Font size 12 pixel. Margin top 5 pixel, and cursor enter. Save it, refresh it. Now this forgot password will go here. So you can see font size has changed and the location text line we set to right, so that is why it is in right. Now we are targeting login button. Okay, so we are targeting button now. Width of the button 100%, set it to 100%. Padding 10 pixel, top to bottom and left and right. Border radius 5 pixel, margin top 20 pixel, display block and text align center. Save it. Now the width of this button, login button, will be changed, and the text, this is the, so the width of this button will be changed and text will be in center. So let's refresh it. So here you can see the button, but it is also moving, so we have to stop this. To do that, target login dot button hover, and again same that, transform translate x, set it to 0. Now the button will not move. Now let's target our last item, login dot sign up. Color of this, set it to gray, 828282. Okay, font size 13 pixel, text align center, margin top 20 pixel. Refresh. So here you can see size and color of the text is changed. Now it's time to target this span, register for free. Hit login dot sign up, and then target span element, and here change the color to black. Font weight, make it little bold so that the user thinks this is a link. Okay, so here you can see our register for free is little bit bold and black. So here we are done with our login page. We have created home page, menu page, reservation page, and the login page. You can see when we click on home page, we will redirect to our home page. Then when we click on menu page, we will redirect to menu page. When we click on reservation page, we will redirect to reservation page. And after that, when we click on to login, then we will on our login page. So here we are done with this project. Now no other tutorial video will come related to this project. Okay, so we are done with this project. If you like this project, like this video and subscribe to the channel for other tutorials, other projects. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. See you in the next video.